Hey guys, I didn't put my headset on, it was just a little bit, but look at all these recliner pieces this guy gave me. Just tons and tons of them. I mean, it's a big old pile of them. They got a little aluminum, most of them got like motors on them, so probably take them motors off if I can. But yeah, it's a big old load, guys. I figured I'd cut you in. Hey guys, I got that out of a trash can and some other metal, but this rainy day, man, this is amazing. We're just throwing trash here. Alright guys. Hey guys, got something weird. Like aluminum or something. I think. Maybe. Looks to be. What the heck it is? Huh. Test it. Aluminum. Good deal. Heck yeah. Alright guys. Couple bike frames, guys. Something powered. Maybe. Well. Let's cut the cord off. Sure, I'm filming. I'm tired. I'm stripping my butt off. I want to test it. Let's see. Lay aluminum, guys. Nope, steel. That's aluminum. That's aluminum. More work. Oh well. Alright, let's get that cord. Oh man, I destroyed my truck again. One time. Alright guys. Alright guys. We're hitting metal here. Oh, dead end. Hidden metal. That over there, I thought that was a brass lamp, but it wasn't. Headed to the house. Always do this. Go around it. Back road on the way. Alright guys. Horse, anyone? I can't take the horse, but I can take the rocker. The heck with it, we'll just take it all. What's a radio flying wild horse? Good boy. Alright guys, we got a horse. Look at that, it's downtown Oklahoma City, guys. All that fog and sunlight coming through. Pretty cool. Look at them clouds. They're actually in that building. It's pretty neat. Man, that is cool. That's so high that the clouds are in it. Wow. Alright guys. Just real cool. Alright guys, a little extra on the way back. Here's some lights and stuff, but you like me, you know me, I pile that dude up, but that's a good dang load. You watch the short, you know, we got all them recliners and stuff, but it's a little short video, and we'll take them motors off and stuff. Always working. Alright guys, like and subscribe if you're not subscribed, and please share it. Share the heck out of it with all your friends and family. Get them subscribers. We need to get to those 1,000. Alright, thank you.